Chai, my people, it don't finally happen oh. Regina Daniels don't finally burst out in tears after Paned Woko did the unimaginable to her. She never saw this coming, lie to lie, my beautiful and amazing people. This one, it don't pass the matter as we take the talk am. Make una carry una chair o, make una come closer, make una come hear matter. Story don get as e be, story don shake gbegbe, everywhere don burst. Regina Daniels, omo, she die lady, she really dey hear am hot this time around because left, right, front, back and center, na im per neck take dey put am for her body woto. Indeed, na dem talk say dat man na lawyer na im be. E come be billionaire, e come also be senator for dat matter. Hey! All connections wey Regina Daniel don work for ever since she left Paned Nwoko house, e don finally scatter o. Hey! Wonders dey say e shall never end. My people, hey! Before I go cap una the legit, the way my body take weak like idodo wey fall for inside water, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where una dey watch me from and the hour una take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, gege una face show, una shoe shine, una own no go ever fit spoil, and una no go ever see the one wey go make una start dey run kitikiti, start dey run katakata for inside life by the special grace of God Almighty. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remember una humble girl Gifted Gist, that me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, make una dey help us dey subscribe, hit on the notification bell so I go notify you anytime we will drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing o. Hey! See contracts wey Regina Daniels allegedly dey fight for kitikiti, dey fight for am katakata. Ever since she leave Paned Nwoko mansion, omo, everything wey that lady don chook hand, na so e take dey scatter after im don collect all the properties, everything wey im don give her before. My people, na wow! This one na polygamy na we go call am, abi na sheer wickedness they go call am, abi na wetin particularly we never still know. Una know say na here wey we sit down feke. Na Regina Daniel and im mama surface after they visit after she visit the Minister of Aviation of Delta State with im mama, wey im talk am say it was a fruitful meeting with our very own minister from Delta State, the Minister of Aviation. Una remember say she can't tell us even for social media say it was a successful meeting, it was a fruitful one. And to the glory of God, she is happy to tell the world, say, she meets with the Minister of Aviation for Delta State. All of a sudden, before they go talk say Jack, that fruitful meeting don't turn to another thing. Hey! Regina Daniel allegedly, according to the information from Information Center, they say, omo, the lady, whether not to faint, she no know, whether not to faint, or not to wake up, face her fears, or not to meet Paned face to face, make the fight am to kwando. Hey, my people, no be small thing o. This one, e no funny at all. I no even intend to laugh because my body weak like idodo wey fall for inside water. According to the information, my people, they say Regina Daniels dey hustle for one big contract wey be say normally if that contract land, omo, she don become multi-millionaire, like abi na billionaire I go even call am, wey make she dey go from one minister to the other, one senator to the other, to make sure say they help her sign one or two documents to help her facilitate the process of this thing wey she dey find. My people, na they say information reach Paned Nwoko, my people, allegedly, as the information reach and say Regina Daniels dey fight for this contract, and omo, if this contract surface e land like this, Regina Daniel life e don finally change totally. Like she no go even know say she leave husband house. Forget the fact say 2 days now e get as she come look like her problem. But as e dey be, omo, they say if that contract land, say Regina Daniel and im family, they no go ever remember say they even marry anybody wey they call Paned, because there was never an enjoying moment for inside that house. She only dey come out, come dey pre ten d for the people of the world so that they go talk say polygamy omo e make sense. Now know say she still talk am say if plan A no work, plan B e go definitely work. If paned nwoko no work, another person go work. If the contract no work, another one go definitely come. But una sure say another one go come at all? This one wey be say paned nwoko dey enter place. In short, e mount CCTV camera for Regina Daniel body wey be say anything wey she wan do at all now, before she even do am, dem don let paned nwoko know say see wetin dey sup. My people, na im dem say this contract paned nwoko na so e take scatter am. Dem come carry phone come call Regina Daniels, the company, come carry phone call Regina Daniels say make she no vex, dem don award the contract to another person. My people, what is all this? This one omo, e choke. Say make she no vex, dem don award the contract to another person. Na im dem come say Regina come take the small strength wey she get, ask dem say as in how? Dem don forget say dem tell her say it's already a successful one after she don enter places, collect signatory from big top officials wey be say normally their signature alone, if e dey for something, na ogbonge, like nothing like say dem dey reject am. Say how come wey dem go talk say dem don give another person, and who be the person wey dem give? Dem just tell her say they cannot disclose who the person is until they finally announce am. She go use her eye and her ear hear am. Omo, na im online in-laws come start dey drag say hey, say make una see which kind wahala come be this one. Marriage e no work, pikin dem no give this lady. Now at the end of the day, she don come out say toh she wan face her fear, start dey work on herself and work on her career, work on how to better her life. Paned nwoko allegedly e no still wan gree because according to the information now, allegedly they say she come call Minister of Aviation, that same minister wey she say na fruitful meeting, e come call am. They say the man no dey pick. But actually all the ministers wey she meet on that day, she start dey call them so that they go fit call this company to order, make dem tell them say no, say their signature na im dey for that thing say e no go make sense if dem collect am for Regina Daniel hand. My people, make una guess what? Dem no gree pick their call at all at all. Na that one na im come kukuma scatter the whole matter. Say hey, paned nwoko don go meet these people. E don go put yans for them, say make dem comot hand for anything wey concern im wife Regina Daniel, unless dem wan tell am say they dey do too, because as na cheating matter na im dey for the man mind, everybody is now a suspect. And in order not to come dey drag the matter as e take be, everybody no want make paned nwoko come dey drag them for on top of Regina Daniel matter. So definitely they just have to obey am, wash their hand comot for inside the matter. And as they wash their hand comot, definitely that company, I believe say they go start dey call all those signatory, and as they call them, they talk say their hand e no dey for inside. Na one of the reason wey make omo they terminate this appointment. Chai, my people, as in na true na dem dey talk say to marry ancestors dey very easy na to comot for inside the marriage, na that one be the koko, because ancestors remain an ancestor. Hey, hey, because now like this she don comot say she no do again, e don become major issue. The one wey she say she wan do, e no wan get head, so that at the end of the day she go come back abi na how, we never still know. Because e say Regina Daniel, according to paned nwoko, allegedly e say na Regina Daniel just dey try to form issues so that they go come dey claim, they go come dey form say na dem be the victim, whereas na she really don do things and things to am. Na she don do things and things to paned wey make him tire for her matter, wey make him talk say e no go do again. Regina say na paned na im cheat on her, na im tell her things and things wey at the end of the day e no fulfill, wey make her comot. Everybody just dey get im own side of the story, but it is fine Marriage no be do or die affair. No be by force say person go come kpai for inside. If anybody say I no do again, I no do again, e no suppose be big deal. At least e good make everybody comot with im full mental health, like with your full chest, and you dey alright, everybody dey alright. Na the one wey be say you go come dey inside, come dey suffer, come dey smile, na that one na e no good at all at all. And which is exactly the one wey allegedly dey happen now between Panel Nwoko and Regina. As the thing don dey enter the one wey be say e don pass her power, she don endure wey she comot, e don become major issue. From oath, dey say na cheating. From cheating now, the one wey she wan come do with her life to better her life now, e no wan come get head. Which way? Hey! My people, this one e weak me. I say at least the man for just allow her, as e say e no go do, or even if they say they go do, because I know say this one na marriage matter, normally they no suppose chook mouth inside as e dey be, but na because of the way the whole thing come dey take be now, e don turn to national matter, na im make everybody dey chook mouth, dey chook nose, dey chook body inside. Normally, as they say they no go do again, e suppose just free the girl make she live her life. But because we never still know the reason wey make Panel Nwoko still dey hold Regina Daniels to, as in, e still dey hold her to the ex ten t wey be say anything wey she do now, e just wan make sure say e scatter am for her hand, make she remember to come back abi na how, or make she remember to come apologize abi na wetin. Na only God na im know the reason wey make Panel dey do all these things wey im dey do. But in all, one thing is certainly sure, if truly say this matter e be as e take be, I believe say e no be her own, because the one that is for you, no matter how hard, no matter the connection, it can never be taken away from her. If na her own, they will definitely call her back, because she really deserve it, she wants it, and she will definitely get it. But if no be her own, if na the one wey be say e go come later give her stress, fine, make e just go as e take come like that, so by the special grace of God. My people, make una come chook mouth for this one. Na wetin una go call this one? Na childishness abi na wetin be really be Panel Nwoko own for inside this matter? Because I no just fit believe say Panel Nwoko, after everything wey Regina Daniel, after dedicating herself, carry her veve, according to him, he say she be veve, he carry her veve, carry give am free of charge. At the end of the day, e do finish, nothing to write home about for her. E still wan come hold the one wey be say she take the bold step, say okay, she wan better herself. E really make sense. Make una come, make we interact via the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us to share, the like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.